Welcome aboard this Hunter 36 Legend. This is Boatshed Cornwall, and we are just about to walk you around the deck of this lovely yacht. I'm just stepping out of the cockpit onto the side deck, starboard side, and just slowly make my way forward. The coach roof where all the running rigging is led after the cockpit. One of these PVC teak decks. Mast, mainsail. I just continue forward deck. Anchor windlass, Lumar, chain, which is attached to the anchor, of course. Our cable. So I'm just going to make my way aft down the port side. Fortunately, this business spray hood. Oops, just get half to the cockpit. So the cockpit table, washboards on cockpit seating. Half seat in the push pin. Helm position, complete with autopilot. Okay, so I'm back where I started. So this pretty much completes this deck tour of this Hunter 36 Legend. If you like what you see and you'd like to know more, then please do contact us at Boatshed Cornwall.